Okay, in this example I'm going to look at how you can install brackets. So I'm just going to open up Chrome. I'll just switch it to my work account. You don't need to worry about that. And what I'll do is I'll put in brackets. And you'll see the first link that comes up is brackets.io. So this is to allow us to edit the HTML and the CSS throughout the course. So I'm going to download brackets, and again it'll take a wee minute. It's about 77 meg. That's nearly there. You can see it downloading down here, and I'll just click on it. And I'm going to go with my default here. It comes up with a folder to install, that's fine. Add brackets for command, that's fine. Open with brackets to Explorer, again that's okay. And install, and yes. And again, it just goes through the various tasks of installing. And we'll use this as our default HTML editor for the course. So again, I just paused that process to save you sitting watching the video of the installation, but next thing comes up is it's finished, so click on finish. And again, I'll minimise Chrome. Now I've got a couple of monitors on the go here, so if you want to open brackets, go in there, and you'll see recently added is in there as brackets. If you can't see that, you can just start typing in brackets and you'll see it appears there. Now what I'm going to do is, just for ease of use, I'm going to right click on it and pin it to the taskbar, and you'll see that brackets appears down there. So I've got my Chrome and my brackets in the same place, and I'll just keep that there for the duration of the course.